Today, my husband and I are going to be installing this new kitchen faucet. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. We're going to install it for you, and then we're going to give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. In the box, you are going to have the faucet, a weight. The weight attaches to the other end of this so that it constantly stays in a state where it's up, flush with the actual faucet itself. You're going to have some extra rubber gaskets, an Allen wrench, and a screwdriver, as well as the instruction manual, and then a plate that is optional. If you would like to use this and your sink accommodates it, you can. If you do not have a sink that will accommodate this, you don't have to use it. First things first, you're going to want to go ahead and remove your old faucet. In order to do that, go ahead and turn your water off underneath the sink. For the weight, we need to take these two screws out using the screwdriver that they provide, because this is going to go around this black hose here. This is where the weight goes. You're also going to remove these two pieces from this section here. If you are mounting this like we are, this rubber gasket is going to go flush with the countertop. You're going to want to screw this part into the bottom of the faucet. Then we're going to insert this into the hole. Now that this is in place, you're going to hand this to your handy husband under the sink, or whoever's installing this for you. Maybe a plumber, I don't know.
You can get them around the cords like that, and then if you just turn that, it locks them into place. Just like that. I turn that, and it grabs them all together. Hear that click?
Before you put the weight on, it's going to look like this. This is normal. You may need to adjust the placement of the weight. They have it marked where they would like you to put it, but sometimes it doesn't work out. So you may need to adjust it up or down depending on the space you have. The head of this faucet also has a pivot ball inside, so you can move it around just with the flick of your wrist if you're going to be going around the inside of your sink or around a large pan or something like that.
Threads right up.
Moment of truth. Oh, look at that. Whoa. So you can have it on a regular stream or a shower. Or you can, that is very misty, so use with caution. This has excellent pressure and excellent range of motion. I am really impressed by the range of motion and the pressure. It looks fantastic. I am really impressed with this faucet. I played with that other setting a little bit, and if you don't have the water turned up too high, it doesn't splash as much, but I think this would be great if you had like something that was really long and hard to reach the bottom of, like a really tall water bottle or something like that. This pushes a lot of water and a lot of pressure down into whatever you're cleaning.